So it's another week. Got a bit of a tip coming up. Bit of a tip. We're going to have a look at some vans. So we've got some more coming in. Don't forget, if you've not already, hit the like and the subscribe button. We're trying to get our subscribers up as many as possible. Trying to get all of our tips out to as many as possible. So don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, and drop us a comment. So we're going to have to actually look at a van that's coming in tomorrow, but we'll edit it into this video. Got a nice Chatsworth that's just come in, so we've got big 636, big twin axle, 6 berth. So we'll have a cheeky little look in this. Come on, let's get inside it and have a look. So this is literally landed, only just come in, so it's literally stripping it down, giving it all clean through. So we've got dual bed at the front, side dinette, we've got the bunk beds, nice big kitchen area in this, a little unit at the side, and then at the back we've got our washroom, a separate shower and toilet, and we've got the big fridge freezer as well, so good size fridge freezer, microwave just on the side. So this one has just come in. We've got a Swift Celeste, a 560 with the island bed off the back. That's coming in tomorrow. A bit of a special edition van. It's been a bit of an up and down June. June's normally okay, and I think last week we were sort of getting a little bit worried. We've been fairly busy over at Gailey, but I think because it's the motorhomes as well, so it's not just the caravans, but obviously all the motorhomes have gone over there now. So we've been quite busy on that side of it, selling a fair good amount of caravans as well. But we're a little bit behind over here, but this last week it's really picked up. So you can now start to see we've actually got quite a few empty spaces. So as I say, we've got a 560 that's coming in that's going to hopefully go into here. So we've got the 2018 Celeste, it's the 560, it's just come in. So you've got the external barbecue point, the external 230 volt. I've actually got a TV bracket in this one. Wait till you see in this little locker here. So you've got the option. I can't do it one-handed, can I? So you've got the option to be able to put the TV bracket or TV out into the awning. You've got your power socket, the aerial, and the 12 volt socket. So just a nice little extra. Now the customers that we've bought this off, we've been dealing with them since about 2006-7, I think we worked out. So and they've just gone over to the dark side, the really dark side. They've not even gone for a motorhome, they've gone for a static. So, oh, I hope you couldn't see their name on the paperwork there. Now I was going to say the couple, but the chap, Steve, is a lovely chap, but he wants to keep all of this, so he's coming to get this. So, I don't know whether it's that I'm tight or he's tight. So I'll let you decide on that. Whether I'm tight on my price, so he's had to sell these separately, or whether he's tight and he wants to try and get as much as possible. He did actually ask if I could just give them a mention on the video, so I thought that was a nice way to give them a mention on the video. Now the moment of truth, he's got a TV at the back here as well. Oh, it doesn't even look like it's moved. So again, he's coming to get his TV, but a cracking layout. So this will be on sale very, very shortly. It might even be for Sunday. Today it might even be that we've got this on sale, but it literally has just come in. Let me have a look if they were the so it's only had just the one owner from brand new, and they've looked after it. They're a lovely couple, as I say. We've dealt with them for a long time, to be fair, which is why I thought I could give them a bit of stick on this video. So let's get back on with the rest of the video. We've got a big motorhome coming in on Saturday, so hopefully we can end up buying that one, and we'll show you that next week. Nice little 2-berth, 5995. Got some cheaper starter caravans in at the minute. We're still struggling to get the higher sort of 4 and 5 berth starter vans, but starting to get a few of the little 2 berths around. But yeah, it had just seemed like it was a bit of a funny a funny market, and then all of a sudden, end of this month, it's picked back up again. So on that note, we're going to be doing a bit of an update to the market, what's happening, what's selling, what's not selling, how things are going. We're going to be looking possibly at prices. What do we think is going to happen? Are the prices going to be going up? Are the prices going to be going down? Reverse lights on the Caravan. Now, your reverse lights are quite an important part of the Caravan, really. Majority, I think there's a few of the early Bailey Caravans that didn't put reverse lights on, but pretty much all the rest of them did put reverse lights on there. But for your reverse lights to work, you either need both of your 7-pins, so black and grey 7-pins wired, or all of the 13 pins. This is one that didn't have reverse lights on, so an earlier Bailey, and we didn't have the reverse lights on there. So not all Caravans are going to have the reverse lights, but majority of them now do, and it's always worth having them working. So just another point is, if you're having a new tow bar, if you're having a tow bar fitted and you're thinking, should I have all of the 13 pins wired, or should I just go for the slightly cheaper option where it's just the road lights? If you do that, the reverse lights aren't going to work. So just bear that in mind if you're having a tow bar fitted. You might have it done and think, oh, I'm saving a few quid, and then go, actually, I need my reverse lights working. So
they're on the same circuit that the fridge and everything.
yeah, so that runs sort of the same circuit as your fridge, your battery charger, and then the electrics inside of the Caravan. So it's wired. Yeah, it's a bit of a funny one. I don't know why they did it like that, but that's how it's wired. So it does need, if you're having a 13 pin again, because even if you have the 13 pin put onto the car, sometimes they will just wire the 7 pins, but obviously have the 13 pin. So it's just a cheaper way to do it. So always double check if you're having it quoted for a 13 pin socket on the back of the car that they are wiring all of that in. Last week we were on about tyre pressures, and as soon as we did that video, the weather went absolutely awful, but the sun is back out again today. Few people had said about the air awnings, so same sort of thing. You'll pressurise your air awnings, and that then will sort of keep your pole or your beams up and your awning up, etc. But again, just make sure that you've got a bit of an allowance in there. So if it's a really hot day, check the pressure on your air awning, air pods, that they are correct. And again, we've seen some of those go bang and actually rip the air awning to pieces as well. So worth, on a really hot day, maybe just loosening a little bit of pressure out, or at least checking what the actual pressure is. We are going to be doing how to measure for awnings, so whether it's a full awning, a porch awning, so we're going to show you how to measure, and that's going to be a completely different video. The Raptor, so on Friday's video we'd said about that we'd got rid of the Discovery. That's gone completely now, finally. Come round, I'd actually got to sell it and let it go, and that's gone. So we're full into the Raptor now. We've done about 1600 miles already in it, so there's going to be an update video on how we're finding that, how it's looking, so look out for that. Well, at the minute, yeah, at the minute, yeah, pretty much. So yeah, pretty much this week's video, really. Hopefully we'll have a bit more to show you next week. As I say, look out for the other videos that we've got planned over the next couple of weeks. If you've not already, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.